Okay guys, so in the previous sessions we have completed the database part. So we have created the number of database tables and I think we have created the enrollment form as well. So now we have to move on to the further concepts. So let's see how to do that. So this is our project. So first I am just going to run the server by command python manage.py run server. Okay, so I'll just see what all the things I have done in the models. So this is the tables we have created in the previous session, right? We have created the enrollment form, and we have created a trainer stuff and membership plan as well. Then so we saw how to iterate the values from here to the database table, I guess. So now what we need to do here is we need to just make sure that all the data is coming from the front end to the back end, and it is going to store into the database. We have to take care of that. So the server is started. So I'll just go back to my Chrome. So I'll just come back to the Chrome here. I'll just enter 127 port number 8000. So I'll just press Ctrl Shift R. So sometimes the content will come like this. Just press Ctrl Shift R, so the cache will get clear and all the data will come properly. Okay, you can see it is coming perfectly right now. So we have completed the authentication system and all those things. So now we have to just see the enrollment form, right? So this is the join fitness. So where we have completed, all the data is coming as well, trainer is coming and referred by address, and the enrollment I have to work on it, right? So now coming back, let me open the enrollment form. So this is our enrollment form which I have been created. So here first what I need to do here is first I need to give the action and a post request. So whenever the method is a post request, first thing I need to just give CSRF token. So CSRF token is the post request. It will provide the security, and although it will go to data according to in the secure way. So here we need to, whenever the method is a post, I need to give this CSRF token over here like this. So basically first I'm going to take a full name, then I'm going to take the email, and I'm going to take the particular gender of the person, then I'm going to take the phone number by the name phone number, and I'm going to take the date of birth, and here I'm going to take the domain, whichever the membership they have been planned, and I'm just going to take the, so here is also a domain and here is also there. So always the ID and the name should not be same. So here I'll just give the number name as a member, and here I'll just give the name as a trainer. Okay, so that the trainer should store it in that particular way. I'll just change it to the ID also number to the member. Here I'll just change the trainer as well to the trainer itself. So then here is a name is a referred by and address, and whenever the submit is been done, I want to go to a request that is join function. I want to just go to the /join URL. That is what I need to do it. So what I need to do, so wherever there is a the request, the form, wherever the action is there, I want to just make it as a /join join. So it will, whenever I submit the data, it will go to the /join, and it will just take the URL to the join, and it will go to the enrollment form where my views has been written. So here where the data is going to come here. So same way like previously how I was doing, if the request dot method is a post request, I need to just say same way again. I'll tell if the request is a post request, first I need to take all the database values here. So first I need to just take all the database value. So let me take the data same here itself, like how we have been taken. So let's take like this. Okay, so coming back to the form, first I am going to take a name. So here the full name is going to store here. Same way I'll just going to store it in this way. I want to just take the full name first, then again coming back to the form, then I'm going to take the name is equal to email. So whatever the value will be entered, it is going to be stored, and it will be coming here, and it is storing into one more variable. Same again, I need to take the gender. I'll just take name is equal to gender is been written, so I'll just take the gender as well. So then again I'll just come back here to the enrollment form. So after the gender, I'm just going to take the phone number. I'm just coming back phone number, I'm going to save it as a phone number here. Then after that, date of birth, that is a DOB, I'm going to take the date of birth. Okay, so then what else is there? So next there is a member and a trainer. I'm just going to take the member, and I'm just going to take the trainer. Then I'm going to take the address, right? So I think the address is there. Okay, trainer has been done, and I need to take the reference as well. So let me take the reference as well. Then what else? Address has been taken. So these all the attributes has been there now. So let me do same as it is now. So now here is something like request dot post dot get request out there. So I'll just copy same as it is. I'm going to take it here. So the full name is going to get here whatever the thing I have copied from the enrollment form, that is attribute name. So the same thing I need to pass the values. So all the values will be going to store into a variable, that is a name is equal to whatever the variable name is. The name is equal to address means the address is going to store it here. So that way the things works. So this, you know, we have converted, we have added in the same. So I'll just paste the same thing over here, 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 and I'll just paste it. Okay, so now same as it is, I want to first get the full name. So I'll get the full name with this name is equal to full name attribute, and email I'm just going to take with this email attribute, and here I'm going to take the gender. So here I'm going to take the phone number from the form, whatever the form is been submitted. Then I'm going to take the date of birth here. Okay, then I'm going to take the member as well. Then I'm going to take the trainer as well. Then I'm going to take the reference as well. Then I'm going to take the address as well. So here all the data has been coming over here. Okay, so now once the data has been coming, so next what I need to do, I need to just store it all the data into this enrollment form, right? So first I need to import this enrollment form over here. So here first let me import the enrollment form. So once I import it, so I'll just write a one particular query is equal to, I'll just tell whatever in the enrollment database tables are there. So I want to get all the things. I need to first get all these data, full name, email, gender, phone number, everything I need to get it. So what I'll do here is I'll just copy the phone number here, and I'll just put the comma. So I'll just say whatever the full name is there, for whenever you are creating this and one object for this particular class enrollment in the database table, when I am saving a particular enrollment, for the full name attribute I am going to pass the full name attribute which is coming from the front end. Okay, this is coming from the front end. The orange color is one the database table attribute, and the white color full name is the one which is coming from the form, from the front end to back end it is coming. Same way I'm going to get the email is equal to email. Then I'm just going to get the gender is equal to gender. So this gender should be matched with this one. Okay, so whatever the thing is here, it is there, it should match exactly. Okay, so here you see everything is on, everything it is in the capital letters. So I need to take same way in the capital letters only I need to write it here. So even the email I need to read the capital letter, gender as well. Then phone number is equal to phone number, I'm going to get it into capital, then put the comma, then date of birth, DOB is equal to date of birth, and DOB comma, then I'm going to take the member here. So the member, you can see member is a select membership plan is a attribute name. I need to give the same attribute name here as well, is equal to, here I have given as a member. So from the member, the membership plan is coming same as it is. Next coming here, the select trainer, I need to use the select trainer itself here. I'll just tell select trainer is equal to trainer, select trainer is equal to trainer. I'm just saving all the trainer value. Then what else, the reference, right? So the reference I am just going to give here. So comma, reference is equal to reference. So I'm just going to take the reference. Okay, then whatever the thing is address, ADDRESS, address is equal to address. I hope this is correct. So let me check once again, cross verify address. Yeah, so the payment status, price, due date, timestamp is being automatically created from the database. So let not take care much about that. So now once what happened here is, once I am taking all the data from the front end, then I'm just storing into a class name. I'm just mapping with the class name. So once all the data has been mapped, I'm just going to store it. I'll just tell query dot save. I'll just save the query. Then I'm just do one thing. I'll just check one thing. I'll just give the messages here. I'll just tell messages dot success. I'll just tell requests. I'll just tell thanks for enrollment. Okay, thanks for the enrollment. I'll just tell something, thanks for the enrollment. then I will redirect back to the slash join. I'll just redirect back to the slash join over here. Okay, so I'll just redirect back to the slash join thing. So once the thing is been done, that is a slash join, it is just coming back to this URL and it is going to run this function and it will just return the enrollment.html page. Let's check it whether it works or not. So in the enrollment.html, let me check whether the messages is been added. So the message is not been added yet, so I need to add the messages as well. So in the how I have added in the handle login function the particular messages, I want to add the messages part in the enroll.html page as well. So that I can just display the messages. So I'll just tell here, I'll just display the messages if it is there. So once I done, coming back here, I'll just click on to the enrollment here. So let me try with one particular data here. So everything is a stuff. So I'll just try with one data. So I'll just give the first I need to do the sign in here. So until and unless, so one thing I want to make sure, until and unless the person is not signed in, I am not giving him access to go to this particular page. So that I need to just take care about it. So how can I do that one? I'll just check. Say there's something like one condition. Let me see what is that particular condition. So it will be like if the user is authenticated. So in the sense, like if the user is authenticated, then only give the particular access to view that particular table. So such kind of authentication I can add it, right? So I'll try to write one authentication code here. So I'll just show you in the views. So what I'll do here is until and unless he is not logged in, I am not going to give this data here. So this is a code. So what is the code? I'll redirect back. What is the code? I'll just check. If not user is authenticated, that means if the user is not authenticated, in the sense the user is not logged in. So if he is not logged in, I am just telling him just go back to the home. I'm just telling please log in and try again. So this is the error status I am going to show him. Then I'll just return. So let's copy the same thing above. Let's paste it. I'll tell return redirect to the slash login page. I want to redirect back him to the login page. I'm telling first you have to do the login, then I'm giving you access to load this particular page. So this is the one condition I have added, if condition. If the user is not authenticated, then I'm just going to add this particular data over here. So just me save it. Coming back to the stuff, coming back here. So in the enrollment form, now you can see until I please log in and try again. So you can see if I try to go to the enrollment tab, it is going to the login page by the name, by the error, please log in and try again. So why it is because I have to log in. Until unless I not log in, it is not going to give me the access. So let me log in with the credentials. I'll try 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'll just check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I think the password I given as ANEES. Let me if I'm not wrong. So you can see I have logged in now. So once I logged in and enroll, you can see it is been coming to the login successful. So here you can see I am getting the page now. I can able to access it. You can see it automatically it is taking the Gmail as well. So here I'll tell full name, I can just give it. I'll just give. Okay, so here I'll just select the gender. Here I'll just select the phone number. So even I can get the phone number as well, right? How can I get the phone number? So if I just go back to the enrollment form here, as I have given value is equal to user.email, same thing I can give it here as well. I can tell value is equal to user.username. If I give user.username, because username is a phone number which we have stored. So if I just come back here in the Chrome, if I refresh, you can see here the number is also been taken accordingly. You can see number and email is been taken by the automatically it is been taken. So I don't want to give the edit access to them. So I can just tell here as read only. Let me check it will work or not. Read only. If I just tell read only for the username, let me check. So you can see I cannot edit it here. I cannot edit the data. I can just read the data from it. I cannot edit it. Same way for the email as well I need to give it the read only, so that I can keep track of the person who is been enrolling for the form. So the data should not mismatch. The email, they cannot use the different email and a different phone number over here. This is so because of that I'm just keeping the default here. So you can see I cannot edit it, but I can see it. So now let me try whether the data has been storing or not. Okay, I'll just select the gender and I'll just select the date of birth. So I'll just give 26 1999 something. I'll just select the membership plan. I want a 3-month of 6,000 rupees plan, and I'll just select the particular trainer, as I don't want I want a Kirtik as a trainer, referred by Anis. I'll just give the address as Bangalore, BANG Bangalore. Okay, so I'll just save like this. So let me check before saving it the views. So here I have the price, right? So here I have the data, that is price. Okay, done. Okay, cool. So now if I try to click onto the enroll button, so you can see thanks for the enrollment. I'm getting thanks for the enrollment stuff. So let me delete this messages from here. I think I have added somewhere else. So you can see thanks for the enrollment, I got it. So let me check whether the data has been storing in my database or not. I'll just go back to the admin. So here I'll just give Anis, and here I'll just give Anis login. So once I logged in, you can see in the enrollments, you can see Anis Rahman Khan is there. If I click and try to open it, you can see I can get all the data from the database. You can see I'm getting all the data. That is select a membership plan. That is a 3 months. I'm getting it here, and Kirtik I'm getting, and Anis I'm getting. All the data has been coming over here. So one thing here I can notice here is only 3 months it is coming, not the entire stuff, not the iPhone 2500, not the iPhone 6000. So why it is not coming? Let me check why it is not coming. So if I just go back to here maximum length I have given as a 200. Okay, 200 has been fine. Then why it is not storing the data, complete data? Let me check here. In the membership plan, okay, I need to okay, p dot price as well. So here I need to just pass same as it is, the p dot price as well. I need to just pass it. Okay, then the p dot plan iPhone, p dot price also I need to pass it accordingly. So you can see because of that it is not storing it for the value. Okay, now it will store in the later that we cannot turn. That will be fine. Okay, so now you can see the how the enrollment isn't happening. So this is done. So enrollment is happening perfectly now. So I'll just log out from here. So even I'll just log out from here. So let me log in with the different credentials. So I'll create a new user. I'll try to create a new user 8088131784. So I'll just give the number. I'll just give arkprocoder@gmail.com. I'll give the password ANEES. Sign up. Email is already taken. So I'll just tell arkprocoder. I'll just give ANES Anis, ANEES. Let me do the sign up now. Okay, this has also been taken. What the hell? So I'll just take here. I'll just give here ABC. Okay, I'll just give the password. I'll just give the ANES sign up. Okay, so once I have been signed up, so you can see user is created. Please log in. I'll just tell 8088131784. I'll just give the password. Log in it. So you can see I have been logged in over here. Let me click onto the enroll. So I have been successful logged in. So I'll just tell he is something like Azwa Fitness, or else I'll just give one name, something like I'll just give it as what I can give. I'll just give it as Virat. Okay, so gender is a male, and date of birth I'll just something, I'll just give it. Okay, membership plan I want of something, I'll just select it as 6 month 8,000. Trainer, he don't want anyone, referred by AK, and address is India. I'll just enroll it. So once I enroll it, you can see it is telling thanks for the enrollment. Coming back here and log in with the admin credential. Let me check all the data is coming properly or not. Anis, and here as well ANEES. If I logged in, you can see in the enrollments, if I can see Virat has been came. You can see Virat, ABC, all the data has been coming properly. Now you can see the price has also been coming over here. So once what happens here is, suppose if the Virat after enrollment they are going to pay us the fees. I'll tell, suppose he has paid the amount. I'll just tell payment status is paid. Payment status is, I'll just update it to paid, and I'll tell the price he has been given. What the price is something, what is the price? So 8,000 he has paid. So it can be 7,000 also. We are giving one more 1,000 discount for the Virat. So I'll tell he has joined today, and so due date. So here I need to tell it is a 6 month, right? So exactly of the 6 month I need to select the date here. Suppose the date will be the same, but here will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 9. Here it will be the due date. Okay, this will be the due date for this particular guy. I'll just save it. So once I saved it, you can see I can able to see all the data of the particular person. So this is who is he seeing. So this is the administration he is getting to see, right? But I want something not the admin should see. So the particular person should see, the person Virat, he should see his particular data. So I'll tell in the particular view profile I am going to in the particular view profile page I am going to display his data. So let me display his particular data. Okay, so let's try to display his particular data into the administration. So here I'll try to create one new path. I'll try to create a new path. I'll tell the path name as profile. Here it is going to the view start profile, and I'll just tell name is equal to profile profile. So this is one new URL I'm going to create it, and I'm just going to create a one particular function to it. I'm just going to create a new function. So I'll just copy some function. I'll just copy this new function. Okay, now I'm just going to create a new profile function which is going to return the profile.html page. Okay, so I'll just save everything. In the templates I'm going to create a new profile.html file. So here exactly whatever the thing is there in the contact, I'll just copy everything and I'll just paste it over here. Okay, I'll just paste it everything over here. So then here I'll just tell profile. Here I'll just tell profile. Here I'll just tell your details. Okay, I'll tell enrollment details. I'm just going to keep the enrollment details over here. Okay, so the messages is no need of messages I think here. So let me remove it, or else if it there's no issues. So here here there is a form. I don't want a form to be displayed here. I'll just remove the entire form. I don't want the form here. Okay, so here I want to display the data here. So I'll just tell center center. So this I'll just keep it this center. So okay, I'll just keep it in the h2 dot display for. I'll just tell your details. I want to just mention your details. Okay, so let me see how it will look now. Let me save this file. And one more thing, in the base.html page I want to redirect here. So wherever there is a workout, so I'll just I think I'll remove this tracker. So in the profile I'm just going to keep the slash profile over here. Okay, let me keep the slash profile over here. Once I keep the slash profile, coming back to here, now if I try to click on to the view profile, okay, it is not going. Let me try again. It is not going. I have saved or not? I have saved it. And in any other places should I need to change it? So whenever they are clicking onto the view profile, it should change, but it is not going to change. So let me check in the index. Yeah, here also I need to just change it. Here I'll just remove this tracker page, and here I'm just going to tell slash profile. Okay, just save it. So once I save the data, now if I try to look onto the view profile, so you can see I'm getting your enrollment details. So that is all the thing is coming fine, but I need to, it is redirecting to this particular page. But one thing I need to do here is, so display your details is coming, but somewhere something else is coming. What is that coming? Enrollment details is coming where is coming here. Okay, and here the thing is been coming. So let me remove this one. I don't want, only one thing is fine. And I will remove the margin from the top here as well. Okay, So here I want to display his data. I want to display his particular data, like entire thing, how much he have paid, and how much, what is the name, what is the stuff, everything, whatever he have enrollment. So whatever the data is been pushed from here, I want to make the person to see his particular data. I want to make him to see his entire data over here. I want to just make him to see his entire data, like his name and entire stuff like that. So let's see how to do that one. So first I want to just try to print the current user here. I want to just tell user is equal to request dot user, and if I try to print it, the particular user, I think it is a current dot user. Okay, current, where is the, let me check what is that. So if I want to check who has been logged in, so there is a something like a current dot user, I think we are going to do. So with that particular stuff, I can easily see who has been logged in. Like suppose if the person I have not logged in, if someone else have logged in, it will just try to get the current request. So I think only the request dot user, or request request dot user. So I'll try to print and show you who has been logged in. Let me check. If I come back and save it, I'll just click on to again the view profile page. The page has been reloaded. So if I show you here, I have used the print statement, right? You can see here, we can see in the console who is the current user. You can see it is been showing Anis over here, because Anis is the admin, right? He is the admin. So it is admin. So I need to log out. I think I need to just log out. I'll try to go back here. So I'll just go to the logout button. So now I am going to log in with a credential 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and or else I'll just try to log in with this one, 8088 131 784, the name Virat. Okay, so I'll just log in it. So once I logged in it, so if I try to go to the view profile now, if I show you here, so you can see the logged in user is 8088 131 784. If I tell request dot email, if I just tell request dot email, if I try to request dot email, if I try to click onto the view profile, okay, it is telling no attribute email. It doesn't have attribute email. So if I want to access the data, I can just tell request dot user over here. So basically the username is something I am returning a phone number here. That is the phone number it has been returning, who is been getting logged, right? So what I'll do, that particular phone number I am going to match with the enrollment phone number. If the particular two things are getting matched, I'm iterating all the data, then I'm going to display it. So this is what the logic I have been think. So that is what the thing I'm going to be implement here. So here the user is been coming over here, right? So here the user is been coming. So I want to filter the particular data here. Let me see how to filter the data. So to access, okay, so here I'll tell I want to go to this enrollment table. I want to go to the enrollment table, and I want to filter the particular data, that is the phone number, I guess, right? So that is, I want to just filter with the phone number. That particular phone number should match with this user phone number. Okay, I'll just match with this user phone number attribute which I have been created. Okay, that's all. I'm just going to match it. So once the things is been getting matched, I'm just passing all the data in the form of a context. Context is equal to, I'll just pass the post is equal to post. That's it. So then I'm just going to pass this context to this HTML page. Okay, so here also one thing I'm going to add, so that is this one. So if the user is not logged in, I'm not going to run that particular function. I'll tell if the user is not authenticated, I'm not going to run this particular data, else this is going to run. Okay, if it is there, it is going to redirect to this login page. If it is not there, it is just going to simply take the user, and it is going to match with the phone number, and it is going to the context page. So that is what the thing will be going to happen here. So now the data is going to this profile.html page. So where do you want to display? I want to display all the data here. Okay, so how can I display? Let me display in this manner. If I just reload now, it is working. So I'll just go to the getbootstrap.com. I'll select it as a 4.6. So here I'll search for the tables. So let me see which is the table. I can just use it to display the particular data. So it is fine. So this is the one thing it is been coming. Okay, let me check which will be fine to use it. So you can see we are having a number of database tables. So if I just go to the cards here, let me play with the cards. CARTS cards. So if I just go to the cards, so you can see we are having this kind of items, right? So we are having the width here. I can just display in this fashion also, like whatever the data cards are there. So even I can use the a number of different cards. So let me try. I think one thing is there, that is fine. Let me go a little bit bottom. Okay. It was something like this. Let me check whether it is there in this page or some other page. Okay, it is not there here. If I just click onto the alert, so this we are having the alert button like that. If I just click onto the breadcrumb, so it is something. This is if I just see the list group, okay, it is fine, right? So I can just display the data in this manner, right? I can just display the data in this manner. I'll use this one. Okay, I'll just use this kind of page here. I'll just use this kind of page. Let me check how it will be looking. So I don't know how it looks, but even you can use this kind of stuff or anything like that. Coming back here, so here I'll just try to just paste it here. Let me just paste how it look. Coming back to the Asva Fitness, if I refresh, you can see I'm having like this, right? So I'm having something like this where I can just display the particular data here. So what I'll do here is, so anyways the post has been getting passed, right? So I'll tell here the something. I'll just tell name. I'll just tell full name, or I'll just tell name. So here I'll just try to pass the data here. I'll just tell post dot full name. Let me check it is coming or not. So you can see name is coming, the full name is not coming, right? So the post dot full name, because I think I'll just go back to here. So here it is coming in the form of the post, right? So I can access the post. I can just access the post with the full name attribute. Actually it should match, but I don't know why it is not getting matched. So let me check. Let me try to print the post first. Print the posts posts. Okay, print the posts post. Let me check. I'll just save all the data. If I refresh the page got refreshed. If I just come back to my terminal, let me check all the data I can see or not. So see here, I'm getting the enrollment Virat. You can say I'm getting the data here. I can able to access the data, but I am not able to access the data into the this one page, in the profile.html page. So here I am not able to access the particular data. Let me check how can I access the particular data to it. So here in the sub index, okay, okay. So I think here also I need to just pass the particular for loop, I guess. So let me apply the for loop here also. So let me apply the particular for loop. So yeah, let's try to apply the for loop here for the list group. I'll just try to apply the for loop here. I'll just tell post in posts posts. Okay, so at that time it will work definitely. So this is UL is getting open, and at the bottom UL is getting closed. I am ending the for loop here. Okay, so here I am just going to pass the full name. I think this now it will work. So here I need to tell, so I am iterating to the iterable, that is post. I need to give it as a post itself here, post dot full name. So once I do like this, I'll just close this one. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, I'll just close this one. I'll go to the view profile page. So you can see here I am able to see that is the name is equal to Virat, so that I can easily able to access all the values over here, right? So I'll just keep everything not in the everything in some other nice color. I'll just remove this all the li tags from here. I'll just keep it the particular item, that is I'll just keep it as a bg dark color, and a text I'm going to keep it as a white color. Let's see how it will look. So it is looking something like this, name is equal to Virat. Okay, so I'll just going to keep in this fashion itself. So then I'll just try to keep this in the h2 tag. Okay, I'll just slash with the h2 so that it should be little big, right? So let me see how it looks. It has been fine to me. Okay, so it is fine. So that is name is equal to Virat. I am able to see it. Same way I am just going to duplicate the stuff here. So I'll just try to duplicate the things. So first I am able to, first I need to take what, first I need to, I'll just go to the models. I'll just tell the email here. I'll just tell email, and I'm just going to the profile. I'll just change it to the email, and I'm just going to change the email address here so I can iterate it. So again I'll just go to the model. I want to check the gender. Again I'll just come here, I'll just rename it to the gender. Again here also I'm just going to rename to the gender. So then I'm just going to iterate the phone number. So as it is, I'm just going to iterate the phone number as well to display the data. So I'll just duplicate all the things. Again coming back here, I want to display the date of birth. I'm just replacing with the same stuff here as well. Then I want to see the membership plan. Then I'm just going to the profile here. I'll just tell here membership plan. I'll just tell here as a membership plan itself, but it is iterating to the select membership plan. Okay, whatever the select membership plan is there, that is going to display. Same as it is for the trainer. I'll just clicking onto the trainer, and here I'll just select it as a trainer. Here I'll just tell trainer is nothing, so it will be coming from the trainer model itself. So then I'll just see the reference, who is the reference of it. I'll just check the paste it here also. I'm just going to paste the stuff here. So once it has been done, so rest of the thing is what I want to just show the address as well. I'm just going to show the address to the person. I'll just click onto the address here also. I'll just change the address to the address. So then coming back to the payment status, I'll just keep it in here, and here also I'll load all the payment status of the person. So then what else is remaining? The price and the due date, right? I'll just copy the price. Again I'll just put the price paid. I'll just tell amount paid. Okay, amount paid, how much the amount has been paid, it should show in that manner. Okay, so then I'll just tell the due date here, that is due, upcoming due date. Okay, upcoming due date. I'm just going to keep the upcoming due date to the due date. I'll just keep the due date over here. So I'll tell joining date. So here I'll just keep the what is the joining date here. Joining date was, so the joining date was something, the timestamp. Okay, timestamp, that's it. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So it's very easy, there is no anything here. So just we are loading all the data from the database. So what we did, we are just matching the data with the phone number. If the things is getting matched, whoever has been logged in, so it is just passing as a dictionary, then it is going to pass as a context to the HTML. There we have applied the for loop, and we are just loading the data. Let's check here how the things comes. If I refresh it, we can able to see all the data has been reflected here. So here something happening. So here it is coming in this manner, so which is little bit weird. So all the data is coming, right? So I'll just see how can it be done. Okay, so in the profile, so here we are having a list group, right? So what I'll do, I can just display in the 3 stuff, right? I can just okay, so this I cannot do like that. So I think we'll just collab it. Okay, I'll just rename it as h6, or else I'll just rename everything as 2 3 4. Let me try with the h4 tag. If I refresh it, okay, it is same thing, it is coming, but I can just do one thing here, is I can just display everything in the horizontal manner. Okay, so I'll just refresh it. I'll just keep it as a h2 itself. So I'll just keep it as a timestamp. So everything is fine. Save it. So if I refresh, so So you can see all the data has been coming, but enrollment details, you can see all the enrollment details here. So you can see all the name Virat and abcd at gmail, gender, phone number, I can see date of birth, I can see membership plan, and I can see no one, reference, address, payment status, amount paid, upcoming due date, you can see March 9 2023, and joining date as well I can able to see it. So we saw how we can take the data from the database, and how we can just put the enrollment and all those things. Okay, so the remaining part, so here we view profile page has been done, and enrollment page also has been done. So it will be same for the everything. If I just say something, if I just go back to the home, if I try to log out here, now if I try to log in with my number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so here if I try to log in it, okay, so now if I try to view the profile, so you can see I am getting my data here, not the others data. I can see name I am getting Anis Rahman, gender, date of birth, reference, status is none here. So you can see the each and every person, like whoever the person is been logged in, he can see only his particular data. He cannot see someone else's data until and unless he has been not logged out. So that is the thing we have been seeing today. So in the next session we are going to work on the workout page. Here I'll just check the attendance of the person. Here I'll just see what is the workout he has been done to the that particular day. That is the one thing where it has been remaining in this project that I'm going to complete in the next session, and I'll try to host this project as well. Okay, so any doubts if you have, you can just ask me.